Snow, I caught you sleeping. Up. Come. Over here. Leash. Snow, give Mommy your leash. Get Mommy your leash. Get your leash. Get your leash. Give it. No. Get your leash. Snow, get your leash. Give. No, get it. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Such a good girl. Yes. Good girl. As you can see, we're in the ER at Kenya Vista Medical Center. I think I may have cracked a rib. I'm not 100% sure. I sneezed at about 7:30 this morning, and I've been in a lot of intense pain all day. It hasn't subsided for over 12 hours, so I decided that I needed to go ahead and come into the ER just to get it checked out on the odd case that it is a cracked rib. I've been given some pain meds, which are helping very little right now. So I'm hoping to get the results pretty soon, and hopefully get to go home. I'm hoping it's something not serious, real serious anyway. Cracked rib isn't nothing to, pardon the pun, sneeze at, So I am, for my subscribers so that they know, I am facing major neck surgery. I've got to have a gastric bypass first and get my blood pressure and all that under control before they'll do the neck surgery. I have stenosis really bad in my neck, which is causing the majority of my chronic back pain is stemming from my neck. I do have a soft collar, or not soft collar, kind of like a collar. It's a soft neck brace collar thing. At home, I do not have it here. I forgot to put it on before I left the house. I won't forget it again because my back is hurting from that, not having it on. So I appreciate my followers and my subs very much. Appreciate everything you guys do. And I'll catch you on some other videos. I'm going to start posting videos of Snow in Nevada. Nevada is, for those that don't know, Nevada is my service dog in training. I am going to start posting some videos of her and Snow playing in a little dog park that we have in our apartment complex. It's a private little dog park, and you will get to see the journey of Nevada becoming a service dog like Snow is. I've had her since Christmas Day, and she has already learned DPT. For those that don't know what DPT is, it's deep pressure therapy. She learned that on her own from Snow. I am currently rewarding her to turn it into a task. That is going to be the first task that she learns. She's got much more training to go, plus her basic obedience training. So I appreciate you guys, and you guys have a wonderful year. Loves to all. Bye.